Number 5. The New Hampshire Chicken. It is an American chicken breed. It is widely used in the world. It is used for dual purposes, for meat as well as for egg production. It is laying about 280 eggs per year. Also, it starts laying eggs within 7 months of age, and its egg color is brown. Number 4 is Plymouth Rock. Plymouth Rock is an American breed. It is used for dual purposes, for egg and meat production. It is friendly chicken and it is laying about from 200 to 300 eggs per year. Also, the people who want to get in chicken farming, it is a great choice for the beginner because of low maintenance and it's giving good egg production. The life of Plymouth Chicken Rock is about 8 years. Also, it has a three colors: white, blue, and black. Number 3. Rhode Island Red Chicken. This chicken is also American chicken breed. It is used for dual purposes. It's used for both meat and egg production. It's laying about 260 eggs per year. It has brown egg. It has two colors. One is dark red and the other one is white. It is a good choice for the beginner. It has low maintenance and it is giving a good egg productions. The life is of this chicken is 8 years. Number 2 is the Light Sussex. Light Sussex is the British chicken breed. It is the most popular and famous chicken breed, used for both purposes, for meat and egg productions. It has three colors: white with the black tail and black wing tips, and the other one is speckled. The third one is the buff Sussex, but the most popular is the white one. Light Sussex is laying eggs 260 to 280 eggs per year. It has brown light eggs and color. It is a good choice for the beginner to start their farming. Number 1 is the Australorp. Australorp is the famous chicken breed of Australia. Its laying eggs about 300 in a year. It has a color of light brown. There are four colors in Australorp: the black one, the splash, and the blue and the white color. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please like, subscribe for further videos. Thank you.